Hey guys, welcome back to QURRAHTECH. It's been quite a while since I uploaded the unboxing video of this watch 3, the clone one, the master copy from Indian market, not the original watch. So let's start with this video of the review. I said I will do a complete review on this one and upload you. I have tested this watch for approximately 1 month. 1 month. It's been over nearly 1 month. For the past 2 weeks I didn't use my watch itself. I was just keeping it standby mode. So let's start with this video and talk about the complete review of this cloned Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. What's the pros and cons? So let's start. Hey guys, in this channel I do some tech videos, reviews like this one, also some unboxing videos which is previous video. So you didn't watch the video of my Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, the unboxing one, you can go to the iCard and watch the video also in the description below. It's quite easy to access it. And also some tips and tricks videos, some tutorials. I didn't do a tutorial video for quite 6 months. It's been about 3 to 4 months ago. So I will next I will do a tutorials, and so you just let me know down in comments below. So I'm just out of my mind what to do. I'm just making reviews and unboxings. So let me know what to do in my next video. So in the comments below. So I will do so. So and then some tips and tricks videos which will be needed for day to life. So you can talk about through technology. So let's start with this video. So this is a Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 which I'm using for the past one month ago. Yeah, it's 1 month. So this watch is quietly amazing. It is outstanding. So simply it's outstanding. Simply wow. I couldn't say any lag in that. Okay, just let me remove it and then say you all the thing. First of all, I didn't use this watch for the past 1 week. So what I did was that I charged the watch completely. I charged the watch completely, full 100%. And then what I did was that I just kept it untouched. I checked the battery life of this watch. What is that? I just on 25th, I think so, 25th of previous month, 25th or 24th, like that one, I kept this watch, and on 30th it was 0%. 30th night. So it came for 6 days, for consecutive 6 days on standby mode. This watch served its purpose. It was amazing. On stand, without touching, without using a watch, just a little. Just like touching and just moving. I have done like that. But after that, it was quietly amazing. So this watch has a standby time of battery of 6 full complete days. So, and that's it. And regarding the usage and all that thing, it served approximately 1.5 to 2 days. Yeah, not more than 2 days. Maximum, if you extend it a bit by not using, you can get this watch for 2 days. Yeah, 2 days you can use this watch by consecutively checking, sleep tracking, all that thing. Okay, I will talk you about it in the last part of the video, because it's a clone watch. It doesn't give accurate results. You all know very well. So let's jump into the next section. Talking about the faces of this watch, it's simply amazing. Yeah, it has some faces. Yeah, you can see it has a lot of faces. What is that? For my shirt color, I match the faces here, and then go out by wearing some blue shirt or some other shirt. I'll just keep the blue, like this color or this color. It will be contrasting to my appearance. So it's kind of look amazing. And one thing I want to say is that just for showing off, people do such things like buying an iPhone. Okay, I'm not just kidding. I'm not saying anything about your personal. I'm not just saying. Just it's my opinion, because people like to show off. It's the ultimate truth in this world. This watch, by putting this watch, you can show off. You can show off like anything, because it has an amazing display. It has amazing that strap. You can also change the straps. You can buy in Amazon, Flipkart. I'll list the link in the description below. You can check it out. And also it has a cool thing which is rotatable, which is kind of freaking amazing. I'll let you know, it's kind of cool. So ultimately, I'm very much attractive. I'm affection with this watch. I love this watch. So it's amazing. Next part is that it has like this app features you can see here. And if you click in the center, it goes to some of the apps like this. It has some approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 22 sort of applications through it. You can control like everything, and also you can talk you can talk. If you connect to the Bluetooth, you can talk to the calls or whoever through this watch itself, because it has a speaker. You can see, I don't know where the speaker is, but yeah, it's down here. Here is a speaker through which you can hear the voice who is talking, and on the side, this side, it has, you have this watch has a microphone. So like wearing like this, so like what is it, like agents, like some people will talk, secret agents, so you can talk like, hello, okay, I'm just here, okay, you go there, like that. You can talk to this watch. Calls feature is really amazing, because many of the watches do not have feature of microphone. Some watch have microphone, because Amazon Amaze Blade Flip, I think so, that watch, I think the previous one or the latest version, I don't know much, I forgot that one. I was checking back 1 or 3 months before. It doesn't have a microphone feature. Through the, we cannot control the Alexa, you all know very well, but it has a speaker. Okay, what I'm saying is that for a clone 5,000 rupees watch, it serves its purpose. It's ultimately fantabulous. And also, and next thing, it has 2 buttons here. Yeah, I don't use this button frequently. Just I will just, if I like proximity sensor, it has this proximity sensor. So if you just lift your watch, it just turns on, and I will just move and I'll do everything. So I know need these buttons, 2 buttons. But in case you have to need something, of course, like power button, like Bixby button. Okay, I'm not just kidding on the Bixby button. Yeah, you don't know what is the purpose of Bixby button in S9 and S10 Plus. Okay. Jokes apart, and I will use this round color thing. I mean the what is it, like a rotating wheel. I will use this much often. It's kind of you all know Ben 10. Have you seen Ben 10? Yeah, that is the child cartoon. I don't know much people have seen that one. Yeah, in that the Ben will have a watch. His ultimate tricks or omnitrix. He'll have that one, and he'll just rotate it. So. When I was sitting in my home at night time in a dark place, and if I click the watch and rotate, so light glows from that, so I feel like an amazing like that one. So fun parts, I'm not just kidding about this watch. So you can do wonders with this watch. I'm not talking about the original one. Your original is awesome. It's it's fantabulous. Nothing compatible to this watch, but you can get something from this watch, the cloned one, for 5,000 rupees. So that's the main thing. And also control the camera. You can see here, if you click the camera option here, you can control the phone camera. I mean, you cannot control the camera, not the camera which just came inside, but through the Fitfly app. Yeah, I will just log the board in just a minute. Through the Fitfly app, you can control the camera. So I don't need much about that one, but anyways, it's a pretty much useful feature. And also it has a track like running and walking, and the treadmill running, but I don't use these kind of things. You can see outdoor running, all this cycling, sport record. But I have tested this one when I was riding a bike to my college from my home. It gave quite accurate results. For example, it's 1 kilometer, means it gave approximately 1.5 kilometer like that one. But I'm not complaining. Yeah, it's a clone watch, so we cannot expect much from this one. So okay, it's kind of, and next it has steps and all this kind of thing, but this will be accessible. I mean, this will work only when you connect to the Fitfly app. I'll just let you know. I'll just walk through everything and then we'll come to that one. And also it's also it's not accurate, but okay. Also this blood pressure, yeah, this is funny part. It doesn't give accurate results. Somewhat it's reliable, okay, for some reason, okay, but it's not accurate. I'm checking with my oximeter, also my Samsung Health, through which we can S10 Plus, my S10 Plus. So those all give some results, but this was quite not expectable. And also has this SpO2 monitoring, that oxygen level. So in lockdown, many people will be checking. So don't check these from this video. What is this accurate results? By seeing this result, you will check. You will feel, oh, it came down. Some mental health will occur. So don't check on that one. It also has notifications here. You can see everything is awesome. And if you connect to the Fitfly app, the application, the watch you're providing this app, this watch can connect to, you can check the weather and also control the music or everything, can sound, everything is awesome. And also fun part is that you can also set the alarm. Okay, and it's amazing. It vibrates in the hand, so if you're sleeping a very deep sleep, a hand will vibrating and you will just wake up. So it's also amazing, and that's it. So these are all the watch interfaces, all the faces which came up. So that's it about this one. And regarding the connectivity issues, this I have to mention is a very important business, because this is a drawback. So till now I talked, these are the very good parts and also the pros, which is I would say in the English word is pros. So it's all the good things. Now the bad thing is that, as I already mentioned, is that the results, I mean the heart rate monitoring, the SpO2, the oxygen levels, those results will not be quite accurate with the results. So you cannot expect that from here. That's drawback. And the second one is that this watch connectivity is not that much good. Just Bluetooth connection you can get, it's accurate, it's what to say, it's 100%, because only Bluetooth 4.0 only something is there. So with my phone that issue is still persisting, and I couldn't make it to the next level, next upgrade. I couldn't make it because the latest smartwatches have great connectivity. This watch doesn't have that one. So that's the main thing. And okay, with Bluetooth also you can connect somewhat, it gives the good results, but through connecting to the Fitfly app, so you can see this is the Fitfly app. Through the Fitfly app, it's worse than ever, because if we connect to the Fitfly app, you can see here the charge gets drained very fast. It doesn't come up for a full day also, for a full working day also. Just for 8 to 10 hours only it's coming. But if you switch off the Bluetooth and again turn on, it doesn't connect. You have to reset the app and reset the watch, and then you have to freshly pair the watch and phone, and this is not quite okay with that. Not okay. This is the very bad downside of this watch, but I won't complain because just Bluetooth is enough. Because with Bluetooth we can get the call, music and all that kind of stuff, but I'm not a music guy, so I don't know, I don't hear much about music, but sound is perfect. The voice calling, everything is awesome. So that's the thing about this watch, so nothing much. So this is about the 5,000 rupees watch. And if you want to buy this watch, you can get this watch for 4,800 rupees. There's a 200 rupees offer if you use the code QURRAHTECH. You can see down here, Qurrah, QURRAHTECH, all capital. So if you use these codes and then you buy, you can get this watch for this 4,000 rupees in the Indian market. I don't know about international shipping, I don't know much, but for India you can get this watch. And you may ask one thing is that where to buy this watch? You are saying 200 rupees offer through the code QURRAHTECH. Where to buy, you can ask. So I don't run e-commerce site or some other thing like Amazon, Flipkart. So if you want to buy, you can just message me at my Instagram profile here, QURRAHTECH, so that I can collect the details and deliver you to the watch. So that's it about this watch. I hope you all clear with this one, whether to buy or not. So that's the complete review of this Samsung Galaxy Watch 3, the clone one, the master copy from the Indian markets. It's awesome. I will give a rating of 4.5 out of 5 for this watch. So it's not bad, I said. Only the connecting issues, that's the main drawback in this one. But regarding the other things, really freaking amazing. So that's it about this video. So to watch my upcoming videos and also my previous videos, subscribe down here, go to my channel, and you can get any sort of videos. And also if you need any sort of kind of videos to do a comparison or a review or some tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. So this is Rais Ahmed from QURRAHTECH signing off. See you next video. Bye bye.